On the menu today, one of my favourite potatoes, Lyonnaise. Only really 3 ingredients to this: potatoes, parsley and onion. So we'll get rid of the other 2 and we'll start on the potatoes. So first up, we're going to boil the potatoes whole, just wash them and put them into water, bring it to a boil and then give it about 15 minutes depending on size. What we're looking for is the skins to just start breaking off, let them cool down until you can handle them and then peel all those skins off. This is going to leave you with all these white rough edges. This will absorb some oil and become really crispy when you fry them later. For now, just slice them into about ½ centimetre thick pieces and then leave them to one side. Now peel your onion and we'll slice that up too. Just make sure to remove that root. Now for the parsley, you want to remove all of the stalks and then you're going to just chop this up finely. Now put this to one side too, we'll come back to this later. Now get a pan on a medium to high heat, add some oil, a knob of butter and your sliced onions. Season, and then we're going to fry these until they're well browned. That should about do it. Now take your onions out and just put them into a bowl and keep them to one side. Get your pan back on, a healthy amount of oil, and now one layer of potatoes. Season, and then once they start to brown on one side, you can flip them all over. Add in a knob of butter, this is going to help to brown it even more. And now just cook until crisp. This whole process takes about 10 minutes. Once your potatoes are all brown and crispy, you can add in a tablespoon of onions and just toss them through to reheat them. And then you can add in your parsley, toss that through to mix, check your seasoning, and you're done. And so am I. See you next week.